Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. Namaskar, welcome to Next IAS. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss important species जो कि अभी recently news में थी and they are also relevant for UPSC. So without wasting any time, let's start today's discussion with Mangrove Pitta bird. It is in the news because recently India's first Mangrove Pitta bird census is conducted in Odisha's Bhitarkanika National Park, and during the census, 179 birds were sighted. The census was carried out for the first time in the country to study the population analysis of these birds, right? As you can see here, Mangrove Pitta birds are colorful birds which have black head with brown crown, white throat, greenish upper parts and reddish vent area. Let's know more facts related to Mangrove Pitta bird. So friends, they belongs to the family of pittas, which is known as Pittidae. They are found in coastal mangrove forest of India. Now let's look at the country-wise distribution. So they are found in India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia. They are listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List. Now let's know some key facts related to Bhitarkanika National Park. So friends, it is India's second largest mangrove ecosystem after the Sundarbans, located in the estuaries where rivers Brahmani and Baitarni meet. It is home to the largest congregation of endangered saltwater crocodiles in the country. And it is also home to 8 varieties of kingfisher birds, which is also a rarity, right? Now let's know about Great Indian One-Horned Rhinoceros. It is in the news because Indian Army may help build Bailey bridges in Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve in vulnerable pockets of one-horned rhino domain. As you can see here, Indian rhinos are brownish grey in color and are hairless. Now let's learn more facts related to Great Indian One-Horned Rhino. So friends, it is the largest of the rhino species. It has excellent senses of hearing and smell but relatively poor eyesight. It is an excellent swimmer and they primarily graze with a diet consisting almost entirely of grasses as well as leaves, branches of shrubs, trees, fruits and aquatic plants. Its habitats include tropical and subtropical grasslands, savannas and shrublands. It is commonly found in Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan and at Assam in India. It is confined to the tall grasslands and forest in the foothills of the Himalayas, and it is listed as vulnerable species on the IUCN Red List. Indian Rhino Vision 2020 is a unique program where government partnered international, national and local organizations for the conservation of rhinos. Now let's know about Asian elephant. It is in the news because recently President of India inaugurated the Gaj Utsav 2023 at the Kaziranga National Park in Assam to mark the 30 years of Project Elephant. Let's know some facts related to Project Elephant. So friends, it was launched in 1992 by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to support states to ensure long-term survival of elephants in their natural habitats. As you can see here, this is the image of Asian elephant. Now let's know more about Asian elephants. So friends, it is the largest land mammal on the Asian continent. It inhabits dry to west forest and grassland habitats in 13 range countries spanning South and Southeast Asia. There are about 50 to 60,000 Asian elephants in the world, and India has the largest number of wild Asian elephants, which is about 60% of Asian elephants. It is listed as endangered species on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species and Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It is also listed in Appendix 1 of the Convention of the Migratory Species. And do you know friends, elephant is the natural heritage animal of India. Now let's know about Caltoris Bromus Sadasiva. It is a new butterfly species discovered from the fringes of Akulam and Webenard lakes in Kerala. This is the image of new butterfly species which is known as Caltoris Bromus Sadasiva. Let's know more facts related to the species. So friends, Caltoris is an Indo-Australian genus and it has over 15 species distributed across Southeast Asia. Caltoris bromus is one of them. And it has two other subspecies, and these are Caltoris bromus and Caltoris bromus yanuka. It is also the first record of the species Bromus swift, which is a skipper butterfly belonging to the Hesperidae family of Lepidoptera from the Western Ghats and peninsular India. Lepidoptera includes moths and butterflies. And do you know friends, Caltoris bromus Sadasiva is the first Bromus swift butterfly to be documented in the Western Ghats, right? Now let's learn some some facts related to Vembanad Lake. So friends, it is the second largest wetland system in India after the Sundarbans in West Bengal. It is one of the largest lake in Kerala and longest in the country. In 2002, it was included in the list of wetlands of international importance as defined by the Ramsar Convention, right? And in the last, let's know about Amolops siju. It is a new species of frogs recently discovered from Siju cave in South Garo hills of Meghalaya. And do you know friends, siju is a 4-kilometer long natural limestone cave. As you can see here, this is the image of Amolops siju. Now let's learn more facts related to this species. So friends, researchers named the new cascade renid species Amolops siju after the cave from where this discovery was made. Cascade frogs are named so because of their preference for small waterfalls or cascades in the flowing hill streams. The genus Amolops is one of the largest group of renid frogs with currently over 70 known species that are widely distributed across the northeast and North India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, through Indochina and to Malaya Peninsula. This is the second time such a discovery has been made in India, the first being the discovery of Micrilex spelunca in 2014 from the cave in Tamil Nadu. So with this, let's conclude our today's discussion. Thanks for listening. Be happy, be nice.